As businesses increasingly rely on cloud-native applications, Kubernetes stands at the forefront as the most popular container orchestration platform. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Securing your Kubernetes clusters is not just about ticking a box, it's about safeguarding your critical data and applications from emerging cyber threats. Throughout this tutorial, we'll dive into the essentials of Kubernetes security and show you how to protect your infrastructure effectively. Understanding the potential vulnerabilities within your Kubernetes cluster is critical to its security. Often, insecure role-based access control configurations can provide excessive permissions, creating gateways for unauthorized access. Exposed dashboards can act as open doors, allowing attackers to exploit the very interface used to manage your cluster. Additionally, neglecting to encrypt data transmitted between services makes it easy prey for interception. These weaknesses, if unchecked, can quickly lead to severe breaches, jeopardizing your entire application ecosystem. Building on the vulnerabilities identified earlier, let's delve into crucial measures to fortify your Kubernetes clusters. Start by implementing Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC, which helps define and enforce who can do what within your environment. Next, employ network policies to control the flow of traffic to and from your pods, effectively creating a virtual firewall. Enabling audit logs is another essential step, offering insights and traceability for all actions within the cluster. Finally, securing the API server through TLS encryption and restricted access is non-negotiable in protecting the core of your Kubernetes infrastructure. These practices collectively form a robust defense, safeguarding your valuable data and services from potential threats. Now, let's transform those security concepts into practice. Starting with RBAC, we'll create roles and bindings using simple YAML configuration files. Then, we'll set up network policies to manage pod traffic. These policies act as gatekeepers, ensuring only permitted traffic flows in and out. Finally, enabling audit logs will allow us to track every action within the cluster, providing a transparent and traceable history. These steps will empower you to tighten the security of your Kubernetes environment effectively. As you continue to secure your Kubernetes clusters, it's crucial to be mindful of potential pitfalls. One of the most common mistakes is failing to update security patches regularly, which leaves clusters vulnerable to known exploits. Misconfigured network policies can inadvertently expose sensitive data or allow unauthorized access. Lastly, bypassing configuration tools designed to automate and streamline security updates can result in inconsistencies and misalignments. By embracing best practices for continuous monitoring and timely updates, you can ensure your Kubernetes environment remains robust against threats. Now that you're aware of the potential pitfalls, let's wrap up with the key takeaways for securing your Kubernetes environment. Implementing robust role-based access controls, setting precise network policies, and maintaining an updated audit log are non-negotiable steps for a secure infrastructure. Remember, vigilance and continuous monitoring are your best allies in this journey. We encourage you to apply these practices diligently and to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Your insights can help foster a stronger Kubernetes community.